Hi, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Reality Bias TV, where we talk about all things reality TV shows and all things reality TV show stars. So, listen, you guys. So, remember when we were doing the review of Real Housewives, the last episode, and we were talking about the trip that they are taking to Mauritius. Well, they've taken the trip, but we are still watching it to Mauritius, which I'm pleased about because I was like, listen, you guys, we can't be having our ladies going to Sun City every year or going to Drakensberg, to the Drakensberg every year. We need an international trip. So Nongo International planned an international trip. I'm happy, you guys. I'm happy that finally they do have an international trip. So they're going to Mauritius and come the day of them flying to Mauritius, one group is flying economy, the other group is flying a business class, and it looks like a shady situation. Nobody explains it, you guys, because during the Sun City trip, they had taken the time to explain that Sorisha had upgraded her plane ticket to business class, and she had also upgraded her room. Well, her husband had called the hotel and upgraded her room. That's what they said. Okay. This time, nobody explained it. Maybe they did and it was edited out, but us, the viewers, just saw a shady situation where all of the newbies basically were in business class and then were in the economy, and then everybody else was in business class, and it looked as shady AF. Okay. Excuse the language. So I had done a video on TikTok asking Mbuyiselo to say, Mbuyiselo, please give us the inside info. Who pays for the flights? Okay, so that we can just get clarity before we talk too much about this, because it was looking like the show is now like classist, okay? Because it's like they just look at you like, okay, economy, business. It was looking like that. And if they were not going to clarify it for us, I mean, obviously, if they don't clarify the situation, they are leaving it to us to just assume whatever. We can just conclude to see the producers are classes. But I had asked Mbuyiselo on a video to say, Mbuyiselo, can you please tell us what happens with the situation, because I was like, he's likely to know what happens, because of course, you guys, Mbuyiselo has been doing very well with his reality TV reviews and all of that. He's been getting invited to events. He's even worked on some of the shows. He was, I think, a researcher on the Ultimate Girls trip. Yes, he's been doing very well. I've been so proud of him, you guys. It's my colleague here on YouTube, but he's on TikTok. His TikTok is doing very, very well. So I did that video. He had said he'll do a video to reply. But before he did reply, you guys, Jojo actually confirmed in my comment section. So a lady called Kanya Abonyi had commented on my video and said that she thinks that production pays for the economy flights, and then each of the cast members will upgrade. Okay, that's what she commented. And then Jojo said, yes, that's correct. Okay, so Jojo confirms that production is paying for the economy. So basically, production is paying for the same thing for all of them. Then it's an option for the cast member to upgrade. It means that if you can afford to upgrade your tickets, you can upgrade. Okay, that means basically that the ladies that were in business class is because they paid to be in business class. Okay, they paid for their own, the difference between the economy price and the business class, so that they can be in the business class. That's why Londi London made that comment to say, I did not know that there were some ladies that were in the economy class, because she thought everybody had upgraded their tickets. Okay. But obviously they are going to edit that whole thing to make it seem like it's just a shady situation where Nongo booked the ticket for the cast, for some of the cast to be in the business class, and then some of the cast to be in the economy. I guess, you guys, that is the toxic that Noko was talking about when she was saying that the show is so toxic, the show is so toxic, the show is so toxic. Maybe those are some of the things that she's talking about, where things are presented a certain way, even though they are not that way. Because I was about to be like, why would you book the tickets? And some of the tickets you book business class, and some of the tickets you book economy. But Jojo says, basically just confirmed, she's just said correct to the comment that production booked the economy class, then the cast upgraded. Okay. Now we can assume that the others couldn't afford to upgrade. Okay. Or maybe they just didn't think that the others were going to upgrade. They thought you take the tickets that you get. I don't know, you guys, but they didn't upgrade. Okay. They did not upgrade. I do appreciate the fact that Jojo did confirm that, you guys, because I think from now on we do know that when they plan trips, that production will pay for the same thing for all of them. If we see something different, the likelihood is that that person has opted to, put in their own money to get something better. So it's not like the production is out to treat people different. Production is giving them the same thing, but then when a person wants something better, then they pay for something better. But if you can't afford to pay for something better, then you can't afford. That means that all many couldn't, afford to pay for something better, or they opted not to pay for something better, whatever you decide to believe, okay? Or many, the twins, or Angel, because they were all in the economy. Okay. Low as well. I think Low was in the economy as well. Basically, the newbies. Okay. All of the newbies were in the economy. Listen, you guys, I probably would have stayed in the economy because I'm still going to Mauritius at the end of the day, I'm still going to the same Mauritius as the ones that are in the business class, okay? But anyway, you guys, yes, now it is confirmed that, production pays for the same thing. I do wonder for the rooms as well, you guys. Now, here's the thing. So, if production is paying for the transportation, basically, because the flights is the transportation. Now, when a person on a reality show says, I'm planning the trip, I'm taking you guys to this place, basically, they're just saying it's like, I've always suspected it's okay, when a person says, Guti, I'm taking you guys to this place, what exactly do they do? Because it also looks like even the activities are controlled by production, because how we were talking when I was doing the review that the cards were shady, and that Sorisha had written that card about the twins, and I was saying, Sorisha is a snake for writing that comment. And some of you guys had said, and I don't go and look back at when they were on the plane. Nonku did ask them to write the card, and I went and I went back and I watched that scene. Nonku does have the cards with her, and she's asking the others to contribute. So it looks like they were asked to all write on those cards. It doesn't even look like the cards is Nonku's idea to do the cards, but she also has to sit there and say, I thought that I'm going to give, let me give the ladies a gift, and I thought I'm going to be spicy. But it doesn't look like it's her idea to even do the cards. It's her idea to even do the gifts. But obviously, they can't sit there and say, production said that I must do this card, so now I'm going to write this and this and that. You understand, So I guess you guys, I guess even though we can't say the production was shady with the plane tickets, because it was the same for everybody, but there are times when production is a little bit shady, because the card situation, when I went back and I watched the cards, I was like, so gatle, it wasn't all Nonku's idea to do the cards, and also what was written on the cards was not all Nonku's idea, okay? But now, you guys, my question now is, what happens when you just say no? Because I'm just thinking, there are some of the things that were written on those cards that I would be thinking, No, like I'll be like, guys, if we are going to say that these cards are from me, no, I don't want that on the card for Fafa, for an example. I'm just making an example. I don't want that on the card for the twins because obviously everything is going to be presented as if it comes from me. I do wonder what happens when you as a cast member says, I don't want to put that on the card because obviously we are presenting this as my idea. So I don't want to put that on the card. What happens then? Because you're still an adult now, okay? You don't have to agree to everything. If you just decide, no, I don't want that on the card, you guys can just decide which the gifts are coming from someone else then if you're going to put that on the card. Because I want to have a good trip with these ladies. I want the trip to be positive. I'm trying to build friendships with these ladies. We already have a taking relationship. So why should I put that on the card? I do wonder what happens when you make those decisions to say, I know you guys want me to be shade, but I ain't doing it. Okay, what happens then? Okay. Anyway, you guys, I will meet you in the comments section and, we'll have some fun because we always have some fun in this, channel. Okay. Anyway, you guys, listen. We must have been successful in chasing all of the rude ones because we've been having fun in the comment section recently. Or maybe the rude comments went away with the Tanda Nestembu. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much. Ngenethanda kakhulu.